I'm Kay Stoll. We live in Boise, Idaho. We've been in Idaho since 1995. I'm kind of retired now and ready to hit the road on our adventures.
I'm Terry Stoll. I've lived in the same place as Kay for the last 30 years. And we're working on our third motorhome. Finally, hopefully this will be our final one. We bought a Renegade Verona LTS. That's a 2019 model and got it tweaked to our specifications, and we're quite happy with it. We'll be using it for visiting grandchildren primarily, so mostly pleasure. Well, IWS was the only dealer of Renegade's motor vehicles, motorhomes near Boise, primarily. We found, however, that Idaho Wrecker Services, Sales Services, is a very high-class operation, even though that's run by a bunch of country bumpkins. Now, Marty especially, I'm talking about. They gave me this here map when I got the motorhome, and I got this here map free, and I finally realized where Grangeville is in Idaho, only because I have this map from IWS.
We wanted all electric, and it has some solar panels that we added onto it, and lots of room, nice bed, recliner seats so I can have a footstool now. I didn't have one in my last one.
And a Class C configuration with a large diesel engine.
Power.
On a
Lots of power.
A good transmission and a good chassis. I found it online when I looked up Renegade motorhomes.
Because we had gone to a Renegade dealer down in Arizona when we were traveling last year on our other motorhome.
Just looked you up last spring when we ordered this one, and we're just taking delivery of it today.
It looks like it's very well.
We've had very good minor repairs done by Dave since we picked up our coach.
Yeah, you guys are great to work with. Lots of helpful information. Always fun to be here.